So normally in the TMS configuration side, our work is importing the transport request, right? Just select the transport request, then you will see the transport things and everything here. This list of this is the import queue, import buffer. So go to the import queue, which system you want to import it. Select the transport request. Select the transport request. I would think no one is done here. Select the transport request. Click on the truck symbol. So full load truck, not the all the truck symbols. Only full load, semi load truck. You need to click it out. Then which client do you want to import it? We have the 100 client. Just import the 100 client. Then what is the options? You need to choose it here. So normally we will choose the some options. Depends upon the your company. You will choose the some options here. Just choose it options. Just click on the OK button so that this transport request will be imported here. Just click on the refresh button. Then you'll see this transport request is imported. This transport request got imported here. So what does it mean? What does it mean? The green color means. So here the transport request has some written codes here. So some written codes here. The transport request, the TR has some written codes, right? Some RC. RC means written codes here. So here 0, 4, 8, and 12. These are the 4 written codes in the each and every transport import here. So 0 means TR is successfully imported, which means successfully imported. You need to take the any action here. 4 means successfully imported with warnings, that successfully imported here, right? 8 means here, so one or more some objects having issues. One or more objects are having issues here, which means here we need to take the maybe the object related issues which in the data related issues here. So who is the transport owner, we need to check with him. 0, 4 we can ignore it here. 8, so we have to check with them. So then 12, RC12 means it's the issue with the us only. Us means, so we need to check it out. The maybe system error. We need to check it out. System error means here we need to check it out what are the issues here. So normally system errors means here mainly things we need to concentrate on the here, right? The main things here we have to concentrate on the, so normally, so here I will tell you the one story here. So whenever you create the TMS configurations and everything, here one user will be created. That is called the TMS EDM user. That is called the driver. Okay, one driver will be created. Then 2 RFC destinations with the TMS star RFC destinations will be created. So normally we will call it as the road, right? Then so one background job will be created, RDD, IMP, DP. Normally outside of the topic we will call it as the vehicle. Right, vehicle, right? And also each background job should run it, so you need the one BTC work process, right? BTC work process. So this BTC work process is called the fuel, right? Fuel. So you remember all these 4 points here, right? 4 points. So if the TR ended with the RC12 means, so we need to check the logs. All these things we will tell. Definitely we will tell the one common word to the interviewer saying that we will check the logs. Right? Which logs you will check it out here? Transport logs, right? Suppose here you can go to here TP system log, right? TP system log. If you check it out, you will see the errors here. What is the error and all the information you will find out here. So otherwise, you can go to the trans directory. You can go to the trans directory here like USR, so SAP and trans. In the trans directory, you will see the logs, right? Here you can see the logs, S log, A log, and U log. So open the S log here. You will see whatever you see there, same symptoms you can see it here also. Like we can see the TP system log is the very important here. You will find out the transport related issues, right? Some job is not running, user is locked. So some errors, you will find out all the information here. Something like, see here, so something like that is already in use by other process, something like that. So right, you will see the something like that error messages here, right? Warnings and error messages. So that way we can find out here. So that is the logs, we can check it out, find out everything here. But what are the main cause here? So what are the main cause here? So if you go to the here, the main cause, so if the RC12 means the main cause is this 4. In out of this 4, any one is not working, any one of the guy, this is not working here, then definitely you may face this type of situations, transport fees failed status. So why? Normally in the outside of the topic, normally if you want to, suppose this is the one system, one city, this is the one city here, you want to send the data from here to here, you want to courier it. So there is a road transport, right? There is a RFC destinations already established, that is called the TMS ADM RFC destination, the road is there here. Then there is a one vehicle here, maybe I will make it, the vehicle name is, I will take it this one, this is the vehicle here. So, sir, what is this vehicle? I never seen, but don't comment like this. Okay, why? Because vehicle just temporary I given. This is the vehicle, right? So, who will drive the vehicle normally? The driver, right? Then TMS ADM will drive the vehicle here. So, on top of, so in the RFC road and this vehicle is called the RDD IMPDP job here. So, but this job is required the fuel. So, if you want to go vehicle by vehicle, you need vehicle, you need driver, you need road, and you need fuel also in the vehicle, right? This both are properly working fine, then only your transport will go to the, your request will go to the on the road, on the RFC destination, the request will go to the respective target systems. You can import it. Otherwise, so if the road is not good, then what will happen? If the road is not good, means RFC destinations are not working, what will happen? Then your data will not be imported here. So then, so your RFC destinations are okay, then vehicle is okay, fuel is okay, then driver is not there, driver is locked or something is happened. Then what we'll do here? We have to go to the SU01, we have to unlock the user, right? That is the one thing we have to do it here. Then the road RFC destinations are working fine, road driver also fine. Then vehicle, the job is not running here. The job is not running, what we have to do? We need to log into the 000 client, go to the SA38 here, we need to choose the RDD IMPDP. One report, you have to execute it. RDD new PP report, you have to execute it, so that the job will be triggered in the backend. The job will be triggered in the backend here. The job will be triggered in the backend here. All right, the job will be triggered in the backend. So that report you have to execute it. That report you have to execute it here. So the background work process are not free means where we have to check it out the work process status here. Go to the SM50 and see whether the work process are free or not. So see here all the work process are free here. Only one is occupied with this some running here. So what is that long running here? So one work is running here. One work is running here. Sequential read of the database here. So I think it's just now it started, I guess, right? Some database level it's starting. So which is means something is running here in the back end. So if it is one is free, at least one work process should be free here to process your request here. So here then only we can import the data and everything we can import it here, right? This is the concept of the work process and this is the BTC work process related. So either in out of this 4, if anyone is not working, your transport will not be moved to the here. So the guy will ask you questions like, so what is the, so suppose transport is not moving to the target system, what could be the possible reasons? Then you have to highlight these 4 points you have to highlight, not these 4 points, driver, road, vehicle, fuel. This is your understanding purpose. So you have to tell like maybe user, destinations, maybe job, then BTC. Maybe you will ask questions like, okay, job is not running, what you will do? Then I will go to the SA38 to run the one program in the backend, RDD new PP. Then RDD IMPDP job will be triggered here. So destinations are not working. I will go to the SM59, I will check the destinations here. So like that you need to answer where to check the logs here in the trans directory log folder, we will check the logs here, right? So that is about the transport return codes and everything here, right? Something is not working, what to check it out here. Go to the here, each queue there is a list of transports are there. So I want to the overview here. Then go to the transport history. So what you want to hear? You want to history of the 158 transports we imported till 25th 8th to till late. So I want the entire last 1 year. I want to how many transports are imported. Like then make it the 2022. Then click on OK button. See 158 transports are imported till date to till that time to till date. Many transports are imported here, right? We can pull this list. You can pull this report also. We can pull it out here. So right, we can pull this report and we can pull the list also. We can pull it out here. right? So that is the main thing here, right? So that is the main thing. So you want to re-import the transport request, select it, then just click on the import button. All right. So that is the main thing. So sometimes some companies, they will disable this one, import all. Why? Because a dangerous option is this one. If you click on the import all option, everything will be imported. So entire your system will be crashed. In that case, you have to go to the systems here. So each system there is a protocol, transport protocol parameters are there. So right, you need to add one parameter here. You need to add one parameter here. One parameter you need to add it to the one parameter here. That is called the import underscore all. Import underscore all. You need to use that parameter here. You will get the some parameters here, right? You will get the some parameters here. TP underscore import underscore. There is a one option is equal to, we have to disable that option so that the truck symbol will be disabled. So no import all, right? You have to make it like 0. Just click on the save button so that import all option will be disabled, right? Import all option will be disabled here. Let me see here, right? It's a 0, right? Go back here, go back to the here. Okay, go back to your system here. Still there, which means we need to put the 1, not the correct one, that one, right? So still there here. So we need to go to the each system, the protocol, not the 0 here. I think 1 we have to put it out here. No underscore import underscore all. So which means, so we have to put the 1 here, then change it here. Immediately the changes will be saved here, adjusting the profile, transport profile, where it is available in the USRSCP trans folder, right? Go back here. Here configuration is inconsistency. See here truck symbol is listed now. Truck symbol means only one truck symbol is there here. So remaining all are gone here, which means so we are good, right? So if you don't have the truck symbol also here. So these parameters, if any transport related parameters you want to configure it here, go to the systems here, then go to the here, then you need to configure the all those things here. All right, you need to configure the all those things, you have to configure it here, right? This is what you have to do it here, right? And also any issues, then you can go to the TP system log. It's a very important log, TP system log. So, and also you can see the TMS alerts also. Alerts will be displayed here. No log, it's fine, right? So if any red items, we have to take care of that one. So make sure once the transport is imported, you cannot revert back the changes. That is a very, very important here. So before importing the transport only, select the respective transport, which they have imported, you to import it. Select the transport request, just click on the import request, that will be imported, right? So make sure you have clearly do that all these things here. Otherwise, sometimes the system will be fed with the all the warning syntax and everything if you do that one, right? So you need to carefully take care of all these things and everything here. So here, what is this? TMS configuration is inconsistent, not activated. Oh, ECD. Okay, ECD updated. Now green. So always it should be so one-time setup. All these things are the one-time setup here. Okay. So here RFC destinations, jobs. So if you check the jobs, whenever each and every transport import, there is a one job here, RDD IMPDP job. So if you see here, the job will run it. The job will trigger it here. RDD IMPDP job. See here, RDD IMPDP job is running. So it will run automatically. Whenever you click on the import button, that will run here. Okay. That is the job. So what left? What left we can today to discuss? Transport. This is about the TMS configurations and administrations here, right? So if you want to create the group, suppose you want to separate group here, then you have to log into the 000 client only. Separate. Suppose I want separate transport group here. I have to map the 2-3 clients here, right? So then what can we do here? Log into the your someone who logged into the 000 here. Go to the STMS here. Then in the domain controller system, let's select here, there is a options to create the groups or something like that here. Again, create the groups, not here. Go back, go back. Go to the roots here, go to the roots, okay. So not a problem. So you can see it here. Here you will see the transport routes, groups we can create it here. One group we can create it here. Group means separate group for here. We can use the standard one. If we don't want the standard one, then we can create the one group, we can create it here. One transport group you can create it here. Transport target group we can create it here. So the group naming convention is called the maybe Z training or something, you can create it here, right? So Z training you can create it here. What is the client you have to give it to the client here? Maybe ECP target client, right? So ECP here, right? So you need it's with to client assignment here. Client assignment, which client? Okay, 100 client. So group is some kind of all these clients will starts with the, so this group only, all kind of starts with this group only. Begin slash, so ZTRA slash, okay. So just click on the OK button, the group will be created here. See here, the group is created here. So what you can do, you can map this to the group here. You can map to the group, all these things you can map to the group here. So like just you can bring this one to the here, you can just select, you can bring to the here, right? So that you can map all the things here, whatever you want, you can map it here. So means you can, whatever the lines are there here, right? The lines. So maybe double click it. So here you will see the client, right? It is target client is the ECP here. So then what you have to do, this kind of some display mode only. Here we can design it. How we want to design the structures, we can design it here, right? So what you have to do here, we need to map this to what is there? Different structure. So group means with one group, all will be moved out. Through group, it will come to the group, and in the group, whatever the client systems are set, so the transport request sent to the all the clients and all the systems. That is the group. So all the systems will share the one common trans target group here. So that is the main thing of the transport group here. That is the main thing of the transport group here. So sometimes we may have to create the groups and we have to maintain it here. So that in this case, go to the change mode here, mode here. So maybe make it zoom. Change mode here. Remove this one. Remove the lines. Remove the lines. Right. So you can bring this one to here. Then create the line. Okay, add the root. Drawings. You know, right? Or very interested in drawings. Just view that one. Consolidation route. Okay, this is the route. Okay, just select it here, then save it. Right, so go back and see now. So see now, go back, see your group is created, which means so tr will come to the this trans directory here, this group. From this group to it will go to the 100 client. Sir, I want to maintain the 200 client also. At the same time, I want to go to the 200 client also. Then just go to the edit mode, like can double click it. Then how many clients, how many systems you want to go at the same time. ECP, which client? So 100, 200, 300, number of hundreds of clients we can add it here. So that, so one transport request will go and add it to the hundreds of clients here. So that is the main aim of the group here. Now, if you have the one client, it will go to the add to the only one client. If you have the two clients, your request go to add to the two clients means you need to add the additional route here. Additional route you have to add it here. That is the main purpose of the group here. Okay, so that is the main purpose of the group here. Okay, any questions, anyone?
There is a client 200. We cannot transport with this group without customizing the group.
Yes, which one?
If I want to send a transport request to the 200 client, in
Okay.
transport group there is only 100.
Yeah, you need to
So,
add it. You need to add it. You need to add the. You need to add it here. Manually, you have to add it here. 200, you have to add it. So otherwise, what you have to do? What you have to do? So okay, request already went to the here ECP. I want 200 client also means select this request, go to the here, then target client, set the target client to maybe forward to the target client here. So that it will be manual work. This is the manual work. Every request you have to go to the here, then click on the system and the client, that will add it to the target client here. Instead of 100, it will go to the 200 client. So we have the option. You can also forward the request to the other system, other client manually, target client also manually. Instead of doing this one every time, if you set this one time, so that so system will be happy, right? Automatically the request will go and add to the all the clients, whatever the clients you set, it will be go to add to the all the clients here. So let me tell you here one more. Maybe I will go to the edit mode. Here I will add the one client here, right? Suppose ECP, then 001 client. So 001 client here. Normally we should not put this one 001 client. I have added here, right? I have added here. So now see here. So the two clients it will go. So request will come to the here. Then from here to here, it will go to the this client. It will go to the this client also. Two clients it will go to the here in the ECP system, right? Suppose you want to test it, you can go to the here ECD development. First of all, check in the ECP, right? Here client option is came. Why? Because since you mentioned the two clients, now everything is come to the two clients here. So now let's go to the ECD here, 101, maybe no, it is going to the transport target instead of this one, right? Just release it FDTR, then that is released here. As soon as that is get released here, see here the transport request number is the 33 here. Then go to the here, just refresh here in the ECP. See here 33 is added to the 001 and 100 client. So you can import it. How many clients you can import it? So that is the reason of the this so transport target group, right? So multiple in the group, multiple clients, multiple things we can add it here, but it does not require 001 is not required here. Okay, so that is the thing. Yes. So now you need to manually set the client, target client. Done. Okay, now system is back. Okay, so practice it. Okay, so transport administration. Then tomorrow, not tomorrow, Monday, we'll discuss about the, okay, Monday we'll discuss about the, so one new topic like kernel updates and support packs. We have many things are there to discuss. So we'll discuss. Okay.